So what we're gonna be doing today is changing out the transmission fluid and the filter, and hopefully this is gonna stop the shutter, everything that I got going on. I got it from AutoZone. I got my fluid from AutoZone as well. Deck 6. We're gonna do let's see, it says GM approved, LV. Alright, so we got 6 quarts of those. What we gotta do is get up underneath, jack it up, and take the pan down. Got a few bolts around the pan, and drop that pan and get that filter out. That's that filter. I got it from the dealership. It's about 60 bucks. Part number. Got it on the ramps in the back, jack stands in the front. Transmission pan, a few bolts, 10mm bolts around it. Luckily I got a drain plug. I'll take that out, like 13, 14 mil. Drain out the fluid. And this gasket is reusable. That's the filter there. Pop that up. Definitely got a lot on that magnet there, a lot of debris. So I'll clean that out. Brake cleaner, spray it down. Got it nice and clean. Take this magnet, take it out. Spray it down some more. You see all of it's like metal shavings and whatnot. This magnet catches all of it. It's good enough. Alright, transmission fluid next. I'm gonna be filling it up. Got the funnel together. Put that in inside the fill hole. Go work. Alright, on the passenger side, go up. This right here. Pop that out with a screwdriver. Push that on out, pop right out. With a flat head.